You said you fear crowds, for you are scared that thorns you feel on your body would pinch them. While they seem not to see, I know. Their bodies scratch from time to time as well. When you said you are scared of hollow places too, just because walls surrounding empty houses you can't set your foot in would be destroyed by the voices within your mind, as heavy as a woman's heart a few minutes after a miscarriage. You're so scared, but why not? Scared of miscarrying your own thoughts that would easily dirt the fresh and clean surroundings, because there is nothing that can't be polluted by the darkness of your thoughts. Your thoughts kept within everything looks so clean that you wonder how murdered that would be, facing what is hidden within your always praised mind. I get it. Looking forward to bedtime is not that easy too. A nightmare before a deep sleep. You sweat a lot without a run, but from afar your sleeping body would win a peace marathon, for what is boiling is inside. Your everyday prayer is to never ever lose it, until the body shakes, for you want to keep it so normal, and now you feel it close but it ends buried in as usual. Well, it's okay. I swear I get it. It's not only about getting it, it's about relating to unseen fights. I might not sweat when I try to catch some sleep, but I catch a breath most of the time. I force it deep, but it can't seem to hit the right spot between my ribs. Is a war zone or empty when it's a lucky day? It is rarely a peaceful breeze, and you doubt I relate to the flowers that strike beautiful colors in my eyes and made me stare longer, to kind treatments that made me choose pushing once more, at least for one more day, to soft palms of a usual holding on routine that gets softer whenever I give up, gentle soul sounds that keep on playing non-stop, that I forget I had signed not to leave on that same day, but for all that I stayed. Hunt my friend as much as you hunted me, for you made me stay, and I want him to stay as well. Hoping for something great only takes a smaller good change, for people break slow as much as they get built slow. Two more small changes that pulls us into choosing, for waking up and give it a shot. At least one more step.